Hi, welcome back to OD YouTube channel. Today, another unboxing, a small box, very exciting pen, and I should have blue knife here. I have one, but this one will deserve the winter Christmas looking knife because this is a very exciting addition to my Kaweco Sport collection. So let's open this package and show you what is inside. Okay, this is very well packaged. It looks like some cell phone case and very snug fit. So, this is a Kaweco Sport, as I told you, and it is protected inside here. This came from Turkey, and this is another example of how the Kaweco collectors community is great, and there is lots of good competition between us. We want to get all the rare pens, but we actually help each other. So thanks to a very good and nice collector in Turkey, he said I could keep this pen, and we arranged an exchange for another one. And so I sent him another pen, and he sent me this one. So I'm really happy that we can do this kind of deal and complete our collections. Sorry for the noise, for the time I take, but that's life. So, finally, let's see what we have here. No, not finally, this is very well packaged inside that tin. And again, I think I need to cut these. Okay. It's hard to say how excited I am, because I can say that this year has been amazing in what matters to Kaweco pens. So here I have a pen, a blue one, nothing special about it in theory, but let's take a look how the pen is called. Turn it, turn it, turn it, and this is a Kaweco Yacht Sport. So I'm really excited. I'm not sure if you can understand that, but I really am. This is a blue pen. It looks nothing special, but I am amazed. This is a Yacht Sport, and it is okay. Let me talk about this. When Kaweco was relaunched in the late 1990s with the current administration, they made some prototypes. They tried to start again on the market, and they started in two ways. First, they created this Kaweco, which was a series, and then they created the Kaweco by Diplomat to be able to get in the market. So this is the Kaweco Yacht Sport. It was part of a series of 3 pens: Yacht Sport, Ranger Sport, and Trekking Sport. So different colors and themed with sports pen. That's what it is meant. It's a pen for everyday life, or to have while you're practicing some kind of outdoor sport, because it is short, it goes well in a pocket, and that's the philosophy behind this behind this pen. Sorry, I can't even articulate well my speech. So now I just want to show you the color comparison, because I think this is what my channel does the most, is comparing colors of pens. So this is the Yacht Sport, and I have here the other one that I was talking about, the by Diplomat, the Bunt Sport Blue, which is a very different shade of blue. This is the Art Sport Generation 3 Royal Blue, Art Sport Generation 3 Dark Blue. Where is the... it's there, the engraving. This is the Elite Royalty Royal Blue. Now, which one is this? Sometimes it gets a little confusing, because there are lots. This is one that I got this year, also a very strange one, which is a co-branding with Smart Ink, and it is the only Kaweco that I have with the engraving oriented in the other direction. This is the Classic Sport Blue. This is the Classic Sport Chess Blue, and the Kaweco Classic Sport Navy Blue. This is the current edition. So we have this comparison, and we can clearly see that this color is very similar to the Kaweco by Diplomat. Actually, while I'm looking through the image of the cell phone, through the screen of the cell phone that I use to record these videos, I don't really see a difference, but maybe I need to see it with daylight, natural lighting. This one is different, instead of this artificial light. So this is one of the differences of this series. They have a star instead of the Kaweco logo. Okay, let me take this out of the way so you can see it fits well into this color collection. And as I was saying, it was a series. This series had a few characteristics. They had this engraving. They didn't say Kaweco Sport. They had other names. This is Yacht Sport. And they had a star there. And no matter the color of the pen, the color of the section was black, and the nib was a nib by Schmidt, and they didn't have the modern Kaweco feed engraving as Kaweco. So this is the Yacht Sport, and this is the collection that gets complete with the Ranger Sport, that says Ranger there, and before and after there is a star inside a circle. They are not O's, they are stars within a circle, and it says Ranger Germany. And I would say it has some kind of Old West kind of font, which is very different from this one. This says Sport, actually. This doesn't say Sport, it says Germany. So I think they were still looking for where they would stay. And this is the tracking, which is a lovely mustard color that I also got because another fellow collector helped me a lot to get this pen. So I only can say thank you so much for helping me completing my collection. And you can see the tracking sport is different, and it has a mountain to refer to tracking, and then it has Germany. So all of them have very different engravings. Only one says Sport, which is the Yacht Sport, and this is the complete collection of this series. So I'm really amazed that I got this one. This one I got from a seller. This one, it is only possible because a friend collector, Alexandra, allowed me to get this one, and this only possible because another Kaweco friend, Mustafa, allowed me to have this. So I am so thankful for all the Kaweco community, and this has been an amazing year because I almost, still one missing, almost completed my Art Sport Generation 3. I completed the Bunt Sport, the mythical Bunt Sport collection. I got a few other older ones, and I completed this, the Ranger, Trekking and Yacht collection. I'm okay. Some people complain about my unboxing videos because I just talk about, I don't show writing samples, and now I'm not saying anything useful because I'm just kind of crushed for having these very nice and rare pieces that I can have only because other hard Kaweco collectors decided to let them go into my hands. So I'm truly thankful for what people do to me. So this is all for today. This is an amazing unboxing. I'm really happy. So thank you so much. Thank you again. Thank you all for watching my videos, and I hope you enjoyed this. I certainly did. So this is all for today. I hope to meet you here soon again in this channel for more pen videos, chats, whatever. Bye.